Ladies and gentlemen, the awards ceremony.
Our race director, Glenn Gaetano, puts us all together. Yeah. Okay. Glenn will be presenting the awards and what everybody gets. We're going to start off with our 2 overall winners with a time of 15 minutes and 5 seconds from West Hartford, Bobby Giuliani. Yeah. And our female winner with a time of 19 minutes and 17 seconds in her hometown, Lauren Clement. Lauren, here we go. Congratulations. Congrats. I look this way. Big smile. Okay. Great hands, 2 of them. Good job. Well, for second place, we had a really tight finish this year. It was a race, and it came down the line really well. Our past winner in second place this year was Tim Milekovich. Okay. And our second place woman from New Haven, Sarah Zuba. Good job, Sarah. And the picture. All right, and our third place overall for men from Salt Lake City, Utah, Jake Krong. Believe it or not, Jake's not the farthest person to come here. We had a group from San Francisco today. Good job. Yeah. Thank you.
Representing the West.
And our third place in the overall female division from Arlington, Virginia, Megan Krasenik.
Wow, this is quite
good job, Megan. Congrats.
Geographic spread.
Okay, we're gonna go right into work our way up with our female grammar school division. I'm gonna announce our top 3 girls and then our top 3 boys. In the grammar school division, we had a sweep for first and second place from Derby. Thank you. Annalise Katzapixai. Right on Annalise's heels with a minute. She came in 3 seconds after that. From Derby, also 12 years old, Sabrina Hancock. And third place from Shelton, 11-year-old, also a close finish, Devin Wildman. Good job. Pam, get over here, Pam. Get over here. Our grammar school female winners for 2013. I should say our race, last count, we were close to 200 youth running in our race between grammar school and high school coming out. Okay, our grammar school boys. First place from Derby, 1936, 13-year-old Ryan Callahan.
Make it turkey.
Second place from Beacon Falls, 10 years old, Nathan Swarzewski.
Congratulations.
Good job, Nathan. And third place from Derby. A strong finish from the Derby Middle School this year. Let's have a round of applause for their coach, Yvonne of the Derby. Yvonne Blackwell. Here, John. All right, we're gonna go to our male high school division. First place from Shelton, Jim Mass, with a time of 16:16. Second place, also from Shelton, Mac Sheldon. Okay, Mac had to leave. Third place from Naugatuck, Brandon Thomas. Good job. Congratulations. Okay, our female high school division. First place from Shelton. We did have a sweep from Shelton, it looks like. First place, Mackenzie Burris. Okay. Second place, Mary McNeil. And third place, Kaylee Hannick. All right. Our next division, female, ages 18 to 29. Coming in behind her sister from Shelton, Kate Clement. Second place from Shelton, Danica Foglio. And third place, Corinne Stockball. All right. So, male age division. What did I say here? 19 to 29. First place from Shelton, Richard Stoliker. 16:02. Good time. Second place from Beacon Falls, Jason Keimer. And third place from Naugatuck, Kevin Saska. Good job, man. Here we go. Quick picture. All right. We're going to jump to our Holstein division. Female, first place, Barb Schuster. Second place, also from Shelton, Helen McNamara Smith.
Helen Smith, all right.
And third place, Tracy Engeldrum. Male Holstein division. First place from Shelton, Carl Smith. That's a good time. Second place from Shelton, Henry Davidson.
Henry!
Good job, Henry.
Henry! There you go.
Good job, good job.
Stay right here.
And third place, Daniel Carbone. Okay.
Here you go. You should by yourself. Henry, where'd that happen cry?
Okay, male, 30 to 39.
10% chance.
Representing the Clement family again, Ryan Clement.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Family that runs together, eats together. I guess. Second place from Derby, Mark Nichols. And third place from Boston, MA, David Nixner.
We're the only
Repping Boston.
You guys need some hats, huh? Female, age 30 to 39. From Watertown, with the number 6 on her bib, Laura Dempsey. Watertown, Mass. Laura. I called it for sure. All right, second place from Shelton, Angela Scott. And third from Seymour, Carolyn Navarro.
All the high school winners, come see me for a minute. The high school winners, please come see me.
Okay, did I do male 30 to 39 or did them? Okay.
You just did that.
Male 40 to 49. From Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, Mike Padilla. The winner of our first race 13 years ago. Second place, Wesley Oliveira from Bridgeport. Good job. And third place from Shelton, Mark Andrzejewski.
All right, so here we go.
Good job, guys. All right. Female, age 40 to 49. First place, Tara Miller. Second, Patty Taylor. Wait, stay here.
Hey, sponsor.
And a sponsor of the race,
Nice job.
Taylor Fitness. Taylor Made Fitness.
Awesome.
And third, from Oxford, Amy Harrell.
Hey, come on, Patrick. All right. Where'd that was right.
We'll just say I'm first, second, and
That's
third.
right.
There you go.
Swept her category.
Thanks.
Okay,
Thank you.
female 50 to 59 from Seymour, Tammy Walkley. Next, Dorothy Luparello.
Way to go. Stay right here.
In third place, Lori Copa.
All right.
All right, male 50 to 59. First place from Shelton, Jim Moss.
Congratulations, my friend. Stand right here. Congrats. Way to go.
Second place from Seymour, John Crockamo.
Anybody here?
And third place from Shelton, George Buchanan.
What a life, huh? What a life.
How was the course, you guys? Okay, male, age 60 to 69. From Shelton, John Percival.
John, I know. Curly.
From Monroe, Paul Moyes.
I enjoyed being able to watch this.
Thanks, Paul. Good job. And third place, James Murphy. He ran out of work boots.
You guys still got it. All right, wait, let's get that. Here, Bill. What a crew. Yeah. Oh, this is my favorite age group.
Put that on the internet.
Oh, it will be.
Okay, female. Thanks a lot. Female, age 60 to 69. Past winner for category, Janet Bulber.
Right. Way to go.
Second place from Derby, Claudia Serena. And third place from Kissimmee, Florida,
Wow.
Marilyn Wagner.
Good job.
Anyone in
All right,
Florida would want to run a road race.
female, age 70 to 99.
November.
past winner also from Fairfield, Monica Roche.
Monica! Yay!
Thank you. Good run. Great run.
Awesome job, my friend. My friend Monica, thank you for supporting my race. Thank you. I'll be out there.
Okay. Male. This one, age 70 to 99. First place from Woodbury, Art Rodia.
Way to go, Art.
Good job, good job.
Stay right here, stay
There you
right
are. Second place from Shelton, Graham Bissett.
here. Where's Graham?
Third place from Shelton, Carl Sylvester. Sponsor, a big time volunteer for the race.
He's the tape guy. Oh, there we go. Get over there. Look at this.
Great job. All right. That wraps up our award ceremony and the race for this year. Thank you. We'll see you next year. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
And that wraps up the live stream. I have been your host, Sean Wilson. It has been a pleasure serving with you.
Okay, we gotta get.